Hello everyone, it's Vicki Sykes with Casa by Vicki Sykes. I've been MIA for a few weeks, but I had a lot going on. However, I'm back, so that's a good thing. So today I'm going to be showing you two vases and a fish bowl that I purchased from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to take those items and make them into a tall vase to use for your events or even for your home design. So if this is your first time here and you haven't already subscribed, please make sure that you do so. I really appreciate it. Also, turn on your notifications as well. I'm excited and I hope you are as well. So let's get started. Here we go. So the items we're going to need here are the two Dollar Tree vases, the tall green ones you see, as well as the fish bowl vase also. I did not add up here because everyone knows what a hot glue gun is. I use that as well, and also some E6000 glue. I also use some Rhinestone Strips. You can purchase them at any hobby store. I use 2 strips per vase. I also use some spray paint. No particular brand. I just used this because this is what I had and it worked really well. So if you have some spray paint that will adhere to plastic and glass, it should be fine. Okay, so these are just placed just for you to see how they're going to be placed, but you would take your stickers off the bottom. The first vase is going to be turned upside down. You add your E6000 glue and your hot glue, and then you add your fish bowl vase, which is going to be turned upside down as well, and you adhere it there, and then you add more glue on top of the fish bowl vase, and then you add your top tier vase. And you need to let this stay for several hours. I let mine do overnight just so that it would completely dry with no issue. As you can see here, I spray painted my pieces individually. However, once you put it together, you can spray paint it all in one piece, however you want to do it. And just like that, we are done. As you can see here, the vases are put together. They're spray painted. I added the 2 layers of the bling, one on the top of the fish bowl and one at the base. I used 2 different strips just to see which one I like best. I think I like the one on the left best. I just added some foam flowers here. You can use fresh flowers by putting a vase inside of the top tier, or you can use silk flowers, or you can use a flower ball. So whatever you want to do, it's your vase, so you can do whatever you like. Okay, we are done here. Another DIY accomplished. I hope you liked the video. I hope you'll try this easy DIY project. And most of all, I hope you'll stop by again at Casa by Vicki Sykes, where beauty and style live. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you follow me across all social media platforms. Thanks, and I hope your day is filled with beauty and love.